Hey everyone, I got here is a slow drain. It's not draining fast enough so the water floods the bathroom. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You need a screwdriver and a coat hanger or a wire. I'm using an electrical wire, but you could use a screwdriver, you can use a coat hanger or a wire, anything that's sturdy. So you can use a wire or a coat hanger and just loop it up. Anything you can loop like this will work. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, remove the screws from the plate. Of course I got the wrong size here, so let me get another one. Find a screwdriver that will fit. Make sure you don't drop the screw into the hole there. That would be bad. This one's covered. Take this off. The heck? There you go. See all the hair here already? Take out all the hair. Now stick your hand in there as far as you can go. Mine can't go in there more farther down, so if your hand can go in there, take it out. If not, use a coat hanger or a wire. Let's see how much crap is in there. There's a trap underneath there, like a pea trap. It's a little pea that's going like this, or a U, but call it a pea trap. So we didn't get that much stuff using the wire, so I'm going to use the metal hanger. So, and loop this one. So we're just gonna loop this one. Straighten it. And curve this one. There you go, make a little U. Let's see if we get any more hair using a coat hanger. No. Keep doing until. So that's it for this one. This drain wasn't too bad. Now we put back the screws. Make sure you don't drop in the hole. Be very, very careful. Just covering the hole, make sure I don't drop it in there. That's it. You're done. Right? Some cases it's gonna be a lot of hair, but this one doesn't have that much. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.